Hey there, gamers! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of gaming. Today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary, Xtremeverse, a Web3 anime gaming universe that's redefining the gaming experience as we know it. Xtremeverse isn't just another gaming platform. It's a game changer, powered by Glip, a collective of 25 incredibly talented artists and engineers from gaming giants like Tencent, Epic Games, Hoyoverse, and more. Their debut title, BTX Battle Xtreme, is set to shake up the mobile gaming landscape with its unique blend of mobile shooter mechanics, extraction gameplay, captivating anime art, and integration of Web3 economy elements. BTX Battle Xtreme isn't your average mobile game. It's an immersive experience that transports you into a world where anime meets cutting-edge technology. With its visually stunning anime art style and seamless integration of Web3 economy features, BTX appeals to both Web2 and Web3 gamers, offering a gaming experience like no other. Backed by $6 million in funding from top-tier investors like Emergent and Yield Guild Games, Xtremeverse has a vision that extends beyond entertainment. They're on a mission to onboard millions of gamers into the Web3 universe, creating a community-driven ecosystem built on creativity, innovation, and inclusivity. But wait, it gets even better. Xtremeverse has launched an exciting points campaign, inviting gamers like you to join the adventure and earn rewards. By visiting the Xtremverse Airdrop page and connecting your wallet and Twitter account, you can kickstart your journey with 25 points. Completing social tasks, unlocking daily loot boxes, and holding Xtremeverse's NFT token, Xtreme, all earn you additional points. Plus, refer your friends and earn an extra 100 points for each successful sign-up. And the excitement doesn't stop there. Xtremeverse has confirmed the upcoming launch of the Xverse token, with exclusive airdrops for users who actively collect points through the campaign. So, what are you waiting for? Get in on the action, earn rewards, and become part of the Xtremeverse community today. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming content. Until next time, happy gaming!